Hello, good morning, girls. And today we discuss about the public accountability, control, and autonomy. But today we discuss about the public accountability. First, we discuss the definition of a public accountability. Accountability होती क्या है, उसको उसकी परिभाषा को आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे. सबसे पहले accountability is to take complete responsibility by a person or an organization for what he, she, or the organization did or failed to do, and must be able to give satisfactory reason for it, and the use of authority entrusted in them to carry out that responsibility. Right? यानी अकाउंटेबिलिटी से आशय ये है कि पूर्ण जिम्मेदारी लेना किसी व्यक्ति के द्वारा, किसी संस्था यानी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के द्वारा. समझ रहे हैं ना? और उसके साथ साथ में उसका संतोषपूर्ण कारण बताना. दूसरी बात है कि अथॉरिटी का प्रॉपर उस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को पूरा करने के लिए अथॉरिटी का पूरा यूज किया जाना. इट इज टू चेक whether a work was done or not, and accountability as a process is performed after the work is completed or is supposed to have been completed. Civil servants, though not directly accountable to the people or their representatives, but they are vigilance authorities and ombudsmen in all organizations to keep a tab on them, and also they are indirectly accountable for their action of authority to the people and through the political executive. Political executive कौन है? Who are answerable to the House of Parliament for their ministries and court of law. जो सिविल सर्वेंट्स होते हैं वो डायरेक्टली जो है अकाउंटेबल नहीं होते हैं, वो विजिलेंस, उनको विजिलेंस अथॉरिटी होती है, यानी वो जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के एक्शंस को लुक आफ्टर करते हैं और जो उसका उत्तर देने की जो जिम्मेदारी होती है वो पॉलिटिकल एग्जीक्यूटिव्स होते हैं, यानी जो पार्लियामेंट में जो उनका आंसर देना होता है वो कंसर्न मिनिस्ट्री देती है. Right? Accountability may refers to the legal and hierarchical views of responsibility. It denotes the specific method and procedures which helps to enforce the responsibility of civil servants. Sri Ram Maheshwari says administrative accountability is an organizational imperative because first and foremost it purports to evaluate its performance in terms of its goal. Okay, girls.